Well, good morning. Welcome to Ichetucknee Springs Campground. Got a pretty good group that rolled in last night. I didn't get here until after 11 o'clock. We had other engagements that couldn't be ignored, even though I kind of put this thing together. We got William over here with his, it's a great setup. I tend to think of like a gypsy wagon too, though. We got Chris over there with his camper and, awesome Jeep Gladiator. Ty is here, John's here, I'm here. We've got hammocks galore. There's a man named Steve that John brought with him that I haven't met yet. But in the meantime, got a fire going. I even brought my little trailer with me. We've got a kayak on top, so that's a precursor to what we're going to do for the rest of the day. I think we're going to get some breakfast put together here pretty soon, and start working our way over to the river. Try to get these kayaks to work. All right, with a bunch of non-YouTuber type people this trip, so I'm going to try to make myself not annoying, and I'll check back in when there's something interesting. Alright, well, camp's live this morning. John's already eating, ready to go, of course. I'm just getting started on breakfast here. I got Dylan cutting potatoes, Ty washing dishes, and haven't checked in with William or Chris yet. Still waiting on Sean to show up, so hopefully we got some time. Coffee should be about done. Come in here for the close angle shot. In case you don't know what a Moore's pot and some boiling water looks like. We got the Black Rifle coffee going, Seminole Swamp seasoning. It's a pretty typical camping trip. Potatoes are coming along nicely. Full group out already.
So are you from up here? Pull yourself.
I'm actually from Gainesville. I lived in Fort White for,
Dylan cooking bacon.
I went to school up here and back in the like 79.
All right, well, we're moving. Yes, sir. We are moving. We're headed down the river. So I'll check back in as we see interesting things. Beautiful place. Really excited to be here. Turtles on the log. Pretty awesome. Right now we're just learning the basics of operating a kayak for the new one and enjoying it for me. Got Ty up there on the paddleboard. This place is just beautiful.
We need like a magnet. We need like a magnet.
Turtles everywhere, man. This next log coming up looks like all the turtles. These guys are just happy as can be. got a little hectic there at the very end. My kayak started taking on quite a bit of water, so I'm gonna have to figure out where the leak is on that. But other than that, man, what an amazing experience. Such a beautiful river. Anyway, we're headed down to go retrieve the boats now. Thank you, William, for shuttling us around. Very kind of him. Alright, we're back at camp. The snacks have come out. Playing with fire. All's good. I'm not gonna sit here and wave a camera around and be obnoxious, so I'll check back in periodically. Alright, well, we got different kinds of steak going. Ty's got some lamb going. John's got some pre-cooked steak going. Kristen over here cooking the peppers and onions. Look at that. And we're just setting up the smorgasbord to go with it. So, come to the woods to get fat.
A couple years ago, and that was because I'd asked Sam.
Just out here hanging out.
What's that?
Some marshmallows getting roasted, and stories told. Well, no fancy videos here this trip. Sunday morning, most people are gone. Look right through there. You can see Chris loading up. Nope, he's pulling out actually. Everybody else is pretty much gone. Ty and Dylan are still here for next couple of minutes. It was supposed to be storming by this time this morning. I don't know. I'm running on a huge sleep deficiency this week, so I kind of took my chances and didn't set my alarm, and so far it's been okay. Although it does look like it's going to eventually go ahead and rain, but so far so good. Well, for whoever came out this weekend to actually watches this, I really appreciate it and had a great time. The rest of you, I appreciate you taking your time to watch it. So, until next time.